everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 730 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation that I got in the shade Porcelain, and this was actually recommended to me by someone in my comments a while ago, and I'm finally trying it out and I'm so excited because I love stick foundation and I was trying to get recommendations for good ones, and this one is so affordable. I did purchase this on the Wet n Wild website where it's $5.99, but when I was looking this up online, I saw that you could get it for like $3 at Walmart and Target, so that's amazing. Even $5.99, I'm like, that is so cheap. It comes in 21 different shades on the Wet n Wild website. This is probably the lightest shade, or might have been the second to lightest shade. But it says that this is infused with argan and sunflower seed oils for intense moisture and seamless bendability. Very nice. And it's also cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, fragrance-free, and vegan. So I love that about Wet n Wild. Okay, so it's a twist up. Curious how much I get in there, but I don't want to twist it all up and have it get stuck because sometimes that happens. I'm not even gonna bother swatching it on my hand. I'm just gonna go right ahead and put it on half of my face so that we can see how it really is. You can see it's kind of pulling, like it's not dragging across very smooth. Does seem to be pretty thick. Kind of wanted to see like how it felt, so I'm going in and blending it out with my finger first, which seems to work pretty well if you did just want to blend this in with your finger. But I'm going to try using my makeup sponge, which is my normal application method for foundations. Oh yeah. Much faster to blend out with the sponge, and I just prefer the finish of the foundation and products in general when I use a sponge because it gives it more of an airbrushed finish rather than like having some like finger marks that can sometimes be left behind. Like the sponge completely smooths out the finish and it blended out really nicely with the sponge. So let me go ahead, add some to my chin. Just that one swipe, I feel like gives great coverage. Like you can achieve medium coverage with just a little bit of product, but also you could really sheer it out if you wanted to. But let's also see how buildable it is. So my cheeks have a lot of redness and large pores. But wow, that really is buildable. Like I think that I have full coverage there now. Let's see if I can completely cover up that blemish as if this were like a concealer. Wow, it really does remind me of a concealer, because sometimes concealers come in stick forms and are very high coverage, and that is seriously what this is. And it looks fantastic on the skin. So what I have on my face before I applied the foundation was I just washed my face completely and I went in with my Vanicream, which is just like a daily moisturizer, and it's a dermatologist recommended moisturizer because it has like nothing in it. It's the most like sensitive proof product that you can put on your skin. A lot of times I've heard that it's what like cosmetologists, I don't know, use to mix in with other products. That's how bare and neutral it is, but it's my favorite face moisturizer because I can definitely tend to get like irritated skin. So that's all I have on my skin. So it's just moisturized, but it doesn't really have any other skin benefiting ingredients in it. But even still, like, I feel like my pores look smoothed out. I feel like this looks completely smooth, hydrated, even on my skin. The finish to it is skin-like. Like, it's not too matte, it's not too like shiny, radiant. It just looks like skin, which I love. Okay, let me finish off this half of my face. I'm like already so excited by what I've applied already. Gosh, this is amazing. Like, this is a perfect foundation. I can't believe it took me so long to try this out. I have been missing out because this product is absolutely beautiful. Like, now that it's applied to just one half of my face, look at the difference. Like, perfect skin. There is definitely no scent to this. I know that some of the Wet n Wild foundations have like strong scents. This does not smell like anything. It's truly fragrance free. But this is perfect. Like, it's not settling into my fine lines. It's not settling into pores. You can't even tell that there's any texture on my skin. But the coverage is gorgeous. I am so blown away. I can't stop saying how amazing this is. I am very picky with foundations, and this is truly up there is my new like top favorite foundation. Maybe I'm jumping the gun a little bit because I haven't seen how this wears, but I will actually do a wear test on this, and in the description down below I will let you know how this wears. I'll let you know like how it lasts throughout the day, how the other products that I apply after this go on and look on top of it. And if you have any other questions about the wear test, just leave those in the comments down below. This is beautiful. Blown away, first of all, by like how beautiful it is on the skin, and I'm having fun applying it. I like a stick formula. I feel like it kind of takes away a step of if you have to pump it onto the back of your hand and then have to pick it up from there. Like, you're just applying it right onto the face. But it's also very travel friendly. Like, it's so buildable that you could just do some spot touch-ups if you had to, but also just so easy to pack. You don't have to worry about a glass bottle breaking or a bottle spilling out in your bag. Like, this is so perfect. I have a vacation coming up to New York where I'm gonna go snowmobiling, and this is going to be a great product to bring because, like I was just saying, so easy to pack, but then it's just like so quick and easy to apply. It looks great on my skin. So I'm definitely gonna bring this with me. I'm so happy I have this in my collection, and I'm really happy with this shade. I have been using a sunless tanner, and I know I'm like not even the least bit tan, but I feel like maybe I'm like one shade darker on my body than I am my face because I only sunless tan from my neck down. So I feel like I probably could go one shade darker in this, or I would just add some extra bronzer to even out the color with my neck. So my search for a great stick foundation, I think, is complete because this is absolutely a great stick foundation that I would continue repurchasing. So if you've been on the search for a great stick foundation and you have not tried out the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation, I highly recommend. It is so worth the money. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.